Have you ever imagined an animal that can regrow its limbs? Meet the axolotl, a remarkable amphibian native to Mexico. This creature isn't just a wonder to behold, it's a marvel of biological adaptation. Axolotls have the astonishing ability to regenerate entire limbs, spinal cords, and even parts of their heart and brain. This unique trait has fascinated scientists, making axolotls a vital subject in regenerative research. They remain in their larval stage throughout life, a phenomenon known as neoteny, retaining youthful features as adults. Dive into the world of axolotls and let their magic regrow your curiosity. If you enjoyed this, don't just watch, subscribe, and be part of our journey into the wonders of nature.